If you asked me any day, hoblos, are you a truthful person? I would say what to you? Yeah, definitely, bro. But actually, when you look into your life, you realize that you're not as honest as you think you are. When I was at school, something happened to me at school that haunts me till this day. So one day this kid, he comes to school with a brand new phone, and not just any phone. I remember it was the Nokia, and it was a slide. It was a $1,000 phone then. It was the cream. It was the best you could buy. So this guy comes to school, he has this phone, he's so excited, bro. And he's thinking, bro, this is my chance to finally fit in with the boys. The boys are finally going to accept me, right? He has something that now he can win us over with. And all the boys, there must have been about 20, maybe 30 of us. We were all hanging out and everyone was on the steps. This boy, he gets to the boys and he says, look at my new phone. We've never seen anything like this, man. So everyone gets up and I watch this phone get passed around from one to another until eventually it got to one boy and I saw him take the phone and put it in his pocket. Now, not everyone saw this, but I saw it. Now this boy, he's saying, where's my phone? Who has my phone? So all the boys are doing what? Brother, I don't know what you're talking about. Or, Allah, I didn't see anything. And slowly I can see in his eyes, it's starting to sink in that he just got robbed. And I could see the pain in his eyes. And I don't know why. I don't know what possessed him. But just as he gave up and he was about to walk off, he looks over to me and says, hoblos, did you see who took my phone? Now, if I say yes, what does that make me? And you only need to be called a snitch how many times? Once, it's enough to haunt you for the rest of your life. And I'm a popular kid. But I got along with everyone. So I looked him dead in the eyes and said to him, bro, I didn't see anything. That look in his eyes, when I said to him, brother, I didn't see anything, that day haunts me till this day. Because that day, Allah showed me how much of a coward I really am. And I didn't speak the truth that day for multiple reasons. I didn't want to be known as a snitch or a dog. I didn't want to lose my friends. But I have suffered ever since. A true believer speaks the truth even if it's against himself. And he's real to himself no matter what. If you cannot be true to yourself, never mind school, you'll struggle for the rest of your life. Be real to yourself.